Hi guys, happy 2025. So this is the first video in a while. I won't apologise because I always do it. I'm going to start something new. I'm going to start something called Freebie Friday, even though hopefully this video will go out on a Thursday. And each Friday I'm going to give you something free to help with your KDP. This Freebie Friday / Thursday, I'm going to give you this file. Now I know it's January and you might be concerned that there won't be any sales to be made, but there are. There definitely are. And this is just a simple appointment book. It's dated, as you can see, we've got January, Monday the 6th. In fact, as we speak, it's Thursday the 2nd. Fully dated, fully timed from 7 AM to 8 PM. Nice big squares. It's broken down into 15-minute intervals, but this is going to be used for groomers or hair salons or any other appointment book you think of. Generally the meetings are going to take an hour, or the appointments will be taking an hour. But it is broken down by the 15 minutes. There's a dotted line there which is very faint. A thicker exterior line to cut off each hour. 7 days across the top, and a section for notes. At the front you get a title page, you get space for contacts, you get important dates for 2025, and then the rest of the book is fully dated appointment book. I've turned this one, excuse the code, I haven't stored it very well. This is an appointment book for hairdressers or hairstylists. A preview copy. Normally I'd knock up loads of these books with different covers for different jobs. I couldn't be bothered this year. I haven't had the time. I've been unwell. So I've just done this hairstylist one, and it's sold canny. It's sold okay. I've made a few pounds in sales. And this is what you're going to get for free. I'm going to hop onto my PC now and show you the actual file and show you how to get it. And here we are on my PC. So this is the file you'll get. It's a PDF. Contact pages, the important dates, and these are the actual planner pages themselves. It's a double page spread, so that'll be on the left hand side, this will be the right hand side as you saw in the video, and it just goes all the way through to the end of the year. Now not only am I going to give you this file here, I'm going to give you a slightly different one. It's the exact same date and layout, but if we zoom in, you'll see it starts a bit later, and it's also the 12-hour clock. So 8 AM to 7 PM. So there's less compartments, so each compartment gets a bigger space on the page. So you'll get 2 complete planners there, or appointment books, for completely free. When you upload them into KDP, this is what you'll get. They're all properly sized. That's the cover, remember. So they're all properly sized for KDP. You'll see there's no errors there. And there we go. This is the 12-hour clock version. So that's it for today's video. Just a couple of quick freebies for you to enjoy. These are completely free. I'll link in the description. It's Gumroad, and there'll be a password. The password will be appointments25, all one word, APPOINTMENTS25. I might have a text box somewhere down the bottom. But download them, do what you want with them, whack loads of different covers on them, and you've got yourself a full library of appointment books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.